Exercise 2. How much does this cost? Listen to the tape and write down the price in the spaces provided.
1. How much does this cost, please?
That'll be £25. 2. What's the price of that book, please?
That's £18.50. 3. How much are those shoes, please?
Only £30.
4. How much is that, please?
It's £40.
5. How much is the bill, please?
It comes to £90.50 altogether. 6. Can you tell me how much is left in my bank account, please?
Just a moment. Yes, it's exactly £335.
7. How much will it cost to send this letter to France?
That'll be 50 pence. 8. What's the price of that bike over there?
Let me see. It'll be £125.
9. Excuse me, what's the return ticket to Edinburgh?
The day return ticket is £17.40.
10. How much does this cost, please?
Oh, this? It's only 60 pence.